Greetings, everybody. You know what it means when you see one of these doors. That's right, it's time for another room tour, baby. Yes! And this time, I'm staying over at the Holiday Inn over by the Santa Ana Airport, aka John Wayne. Let's get to the tour, shall we? Now, right as you walk in, you'll notice that there are two queen-size beds. We'll get to them in just a second. But also, there's a door to an adjoining room that I don't have access to, and I'm not going to start grabbing on that right now. That'd be kind of mean. There's a nice little area right here. Got my backpacks, and there's a mirror. Hello, everybody. And then over here, we have a closet. Look at this. Ooh, well, very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that. Oh, they have an ironing board and everything. Oh, I like it. All right, and it's actually pretty spacious. Yeah, there's a lot of room in here. Hope that comes through. One thing I wanted to show you guys, I thought that was pretty interesting, was the lock for this door. Have you guys seen a lock like this before? Because usually I've seen the one where it kind of like goes over something. It's like on the side here. I thought that was really interesting. Like, seems pretty sturdy too. Yeah. And there's also the come back after me time sign, you know, for sleeping in. Here is the bathroom though, which this light, when I first turned it on, I was like, wow, because it's all around the sides of the mirror. Hello, there I am again. Hi, there we go. My camera's like, I just can't. Then we turn over here, and then we have a tub and shower. Perfect. Perfect for me. Anyway, I like it. I like it a lot. Very clean and modern feeling, which I adore. Here, speaking of doors, I'm going to shut these now. Oh, there we go. Now we're going to move on into the rest of the room. Another mirror right here. You can check yourself out. There we go. It's nice, yeah. Plenty of mirror action. And then there's this nice little pull-out chair and pull-out desk or kind of table if you need to do a little bit of work here, which is pretty nice. Yeah, normally you see this kind of stuff tucked away in the corner of a room over there, but I kind of like having it here. It's kind of like an option if you want. LG TV right there. And then, believe it or not, take a guess what's in here. Who wants to guess? Oh, it's a refrigerator. And it has nothing in it. That's probably okay because I didn't put anything in there. They don't come with things like that, which is just fine. But it also has a Keurig here. So anybody who's into some rainforest bold coffee, you know, that's an option for you. Got a smidge of modern art on the wall as well. I would show you the view, but I'm on the first floor, and it's not really anything super crazy. Like I'm looking out at the parking lot, you know. And then there's a nice chair over here. I'll just take a little quick sit in there. See how it feels. Ooh. It's kind of firm, but in a good way. It's kind of nice. I like that. Yeah. And then to manipulate the actual temperature in the room, have this heater air conditioner combo, but you have to control it via the wall thermostat. Good to keep in mind. Plus, I like to put a fan on because I like to have white noise. I don't know about you guys. And then here we are at last. Wait, but before we do that, something I've always forget to do on these like tours. I gotta be better about this. I love seeing the USB ports. I really do. That's really nice. That's something I really do enjoy. But now, like I said, it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. We can't even get into focus. That's how crazy it is right now. It is time for the bed test. And here we go. Oh, got the string. Oh, it's very comfy. Yes, it's so nice. I just want to sleep, which I will do soon. But I always love doing this. I think people enjoy the bed test. I know I do. And I always want to see that in a hotel vlog. I want to see what the beds are like. To give you a point of reference, or just kind of my thoughts, it is, again, kind of like the Paradise Pier hotel one a little bit, kind of in between soft and hard. So, just kind of a sweet spot situation, which I thoroughly enjoy. Very comfortable, very comfortable. So it seems like some of you enjoyed this kind of pillow talk thing I did last time. So I'm going to do it again, but for anybody else who was just here for the room tour and kind of my overall thoughts of the Holiday Inn, there you go. By the way, these pillows are so soft. I really like them. So for anybody who is maybe going to be flying in or out of Santa Ana, aka John Wayne Airport, yeah, I would say this is probably a pretty good place to check out. Also, the parking is included, which I love. That's so great. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging out. But like I said, I'm going to spend a few minutes here just kind of chat with anybody who wants to hang out still. But as I just said, you know, we're nearby the John Wayne Airport. And that is where I have now twice said bye to Mom. When we first drove out here in August of 2021, I had to drop her off there, and I'll never forget it because it was just so tough to do, but you just kind of have to do it in that moment because there's like a bunch of people and you just gotta like be like commit to it. And it's hard, you know. And that second she was gone, I was like, oh my gosh. I felt like but then, you know, again, doing it again, tough in a different way. It's never easy to say goodbye. And my mom is just my favorite person right now in my life. She's just been so great to me, and hopefully that comes through in the videos. I hope you guys get that, and if you like me at all, it's probably because of her. Yeah, I miss her. We had so much fun a few weeks ago. It was so cool to have her here, and I'm hoping she comes out again soon. Yeah, so hopefully she's seeing this and feeling very guilty right now. Oh my goodness, but yeah, she's the best. And I hope that everybody watching has, you know, a parent that they're close with, maybe two parents, maybe even more than that, or maybe they have children of their own and they feel very close to them. Now, I'm not saying pick favorites, guys, alright, I'm not saying that, but, you know. Oh my goodness. Yeah, but, yeah, just do yourself a favor, or do me a favor. Just, maybe if you haven't reached out to a parent or your kid in a while for some reason, let's say they're at college or whatnot, or I don't know what else. Just, give them a call. You know, you won't regret it. Worst case scenario, they don't pick up, you leave a message, and still you're fine. But I think it's a good thing to do. Yeah. If you take anything away from this video. Oh my goodness. Well, guess what? Guess where I'm going tomorrow? I'm going to Disneyland. Yeah, and it just worked out to come here first with all the stuff that's going on, and yeah, I'm excited to get there. Got plenty more videos coming up. I have a viewer requested video coming up too that is all about the Toy Story parking lot, just to give you guys a little bit of information about that, and then a few more videos within the parks. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's so interesting to live in striking distance of a theme park like this. I feel so lucky. I'm really grateful. And Universal too. One of these days I'll get over to Knott's Berry Farm. I've just never been. I don't know if you guys want to see that. Let me know. I've been really wanting to go. And my buddy Chris, who you guys might know from Provost Park Pass, he knows that place pretty well. And I would really love to go there with him at some point. We'll see if that can happen. That'd be kind of cool. But if not, I could just go without him too, you know. Yeah, it'll be good. It's always good to get back to Disneyland. Feels like a little slice of home, you know. Hope you guys know what that feels like too. It's that thing I talked about a while back at Universal. It's like once you get into a theme park, it just feels like like you're so excited to be there. Once you're finally there, it's just like, yeah, here I am, and it's good. Yeah. Well, I appreciate you guys hanging out here with me at the Holiday Inn. And yeah, if you want to see more hotel vlogs like this, just let me know down in the comments or wherever else. But I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking and sharing and just leaving comments. Seriously, it just means the world to me. And a huge thank you to our patrons who continue to support me in my crazy endeavors. If you're interested in doing so, I have a link down in the description, or it's up in the cards too. Either way, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Good night.